Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is set language and notation. So let us talk about set first of all. According to the definition of set, it is collection of well-defined objects. Usually a set is denoted by or specified in two ways. Number one, by listing the elements, and by describing there are examples of listing the elements. For example, if we have set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now as far as description is concerned, it will be the set of even numbers between 1 and 11. Let us take one more example. A, E, I, O, U. So I have listed first vowels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vowels. अगर आप इसको डिस्क्रिप्शन फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो लिखेंगे द सेट of vowels in the alphabet. This bracket is called braces. So actually the braces stand for the words the set of. Naming sets and number of members in a set. Usually we use capital letters to denote a set, and small letters to denote the members. This symbol shows the total number of members in a set. We can take some examples. This is very important area, students, you have to keep in mind. एग्जाम में इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन लाजमी आता है. If A is a set which is having elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So it can be written that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements in set A. Now there is another symbol that is used in sets, that is membership symbol. That is this one. This is also called belongs to. So we can say that is a member of. And this symbol is not a member of. For example, if I say there is a set A having elements 1, 2, 3, 4. If I say that 2 is a member of A, so this is true. And if I say 5 is a member of A, this is false. Or we can also say that 5 is not member of A. Dear students, there are also more types of sets, just like finite set, that is having some elements just like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say that the number of elements of A are 4. It's like we can give one more example. Days of the week, beginning with T. So the number of days will be 2. The second one is infinite. Just like see the set of natural numbers that is so on, cannot be stopped, undefined, unlimited. One more example can be given, that points on the circumference of a circle. There is one more example, x such that x is an even number. Now we talk about universal set. The set which contains all the elements in the discussion. Mathematically, it is denoted by U or with E. For example, universal set can be 1, 2, 3 up till so on, or it can be set of even numbers, or any other set whose elements are under discussion. Complement of a set that is denoted as AC or A prime. It means the elements which are under discussion. Given that the universal set E and a set A, the complement of A denoted by A prime is a set containing all the elements in E or in universal set that are not in A. So let us take one example of complement. Let we have a universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set A 1, 2, 3. Students, you have to keep in mind one thing, that universal set is a mega set, and all the sets just like A, B or C, they must be subset of universal set. Means that each and every element of set A must belong to universal set. Now A complement will be, we have to delete these elements just like 1, 2 and 3 from universal set. Now the rest of the elements of universal set will be considered as a complement. Now let us talk about equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal if they have same elements. For example, A set has elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and B has elements 8, 6, 2, 4. Then A set equals to B because every element of A has an element of B. Also, B is equal to A and A is a subset of B. Also, B is a subset of A. Dear students, subset mean that every element of one set is equal to the element of another set. This is called subset actually. Proper subset. For example, when each member of set A is also a member of set B. But set B has more elements than set A. So we can say that A is a proper subset of B. So let us take one example. If A is having elements 1, 5, 9 and B is having elements 1, 3, 5, 9, then A is a proper subset of B and B is not proper subset of A. Now let us talk about empty set. A set that contains no elements. An empty set is denoted as or only bracket or this symbol phi, symbol of phi. This is also called empty set. Now let us talk about intersection of two sets. That is very important. Intersection. Intersection means common elements. For example, if set A has elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B has elements 1, 5, 7. Now A intersection B is equal to only one element is common, that is 1. So 1 will be the answer. Intersection is denoted by this symbol, this one. Union of two sets. For example, if set A has elements 1, 2, 3, 5 and set B has elements 3, 5, 6, 7. So A union B is equal to, we have to combine two sets in such a way that their common elements, just like 3 is common, 5 is common, should not be repeated. Just like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Common elements should be written only once. We don't have to write 3 two times and 5 two times. Now the last one is disjoint sets. Sets have no elements in common. Have no elements in common. Let us take one example. if A set is having elements 1, 3, 5, 7 and B set is having elements 2, 4, 6, 8, then A intersection B will be empty set or disjoint, because no element is common. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने कुछ सेट्स की टाइप्स पढ़ी और उसके बाद इनकी एप्लीकेशंस की। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम वेन डायग्राम को डिस्कस करेंगे।